So I brought the vehicle outside, just to get some perspective. It's all kind of bolted together, maybe not permanently, but it's all, this is the size it's going to be. So I have the powertrain here. The motor isn't fastened in. That's the next thing I have to do to make this a good rolling chassis. But there's the 4 batteries that I have for it, the 4 lithium batteries and the speed controller. So what we have to do now is we have to make a box for the batteries. I want to weld together an aluminum box that fits that just nicely and have different taps coming out of it. And then I'll mount this probably on the top of the box and make a nice little package here so that the whole thing comes off together and we can work on it. And then these wires go back here to the motor. So let's put some switches. This is the battery charger. Not sure where that's going to go, but it's pretty compact. I have some stiffeners to put in across here to make it sturdier, and then we'll have to design some sheet metal for around it to make it look pretty. But there it is so far, just so you can get some perspective.